Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Press release Hoskinson Marketplace. The largest marketplace for Cardano NFTs, Hoskinson NFT Marketplace, built on the Cardano network for your favorite arts, JPGs, PNGs, SVGs, and more. We're proud to be based on the Cardano blockchain, a cryptocurrency with the mission of providing financial infrastructure for the unbanked. We hope that by continuing to innovate and bring new functionality to the Cardano NFT space, we can help to move Cardano network forward and support the community's novel humanitarian efforts. For all the latest updates, follow us on our social media platform. A share of the successful project's distribution royalties is paid to users who stake their HSK tokens. The HSK token will also be traded on CEX dexes, ensuring extensive token distribution and user participation. The community may also stake HSK tokens for extra payouts. Hoskinson will also let content producers advertise their projects through limited edition NFTs, surpasses the $400 million mark. A widely followed Ada whale has recently suggested they believe the TVL is going into the billions soon as more projects are launched. The whale added that alternatives to decentralized money markets such as Compound and OV are lined up, and pointed to the Cardano community being ready to bootstrap its own DeFi growth. The comments came shortly after Cardano surpassed Kusama in terms of total value locked. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. Cardano, $ADA, transaction volume nears $70 billion as TVL on its DeFi protocols tops $400 million. The transaction volume seen on the Cardano, $ADA, network has recently gotten close to the $70 billion mark, surpassing the volume seen on the Bitcoin, $BTC, and Ethereum, $ETH, networks. Cardano's surging volumes come as the total value locked on its decentralized finance, DeFi, apps tops $400 million. According to data from Messari, Cardano's daily transaction volume was at one point close to the $70 billion mark, above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin, $LTC. Transaction volumes on users will always be more likely to buy or transact from verified creators on our platform. As such, creators who will wish to verify their platform will be required to stake a preset amount of HSK token before they can apply for verification. Staking platform. HSK token holders can choose to stake their tokens on our staking platform to earn more tokens. NFT farming. Users will be able to stake NFTs on our platform and be able to earn rewards in limited rare NFTs which can be tradable on other NFT platforms too. Exchanges would have the impossible task of verifying who owns an unhosted wallet whenever a transaction takes place. Patrick Hansen, Unstoppable DeFi's head of strategy, fears major platforms would stop their users from transacting with unhosted wallets in order to stay compliant. Another provision would mean that an exchange would have to inform the authorities every time one of their users receives more than €1,000 from an unhosted wallet, even if there is no evidence to suggest that money laundering is taking place. According to Hansen, this amounts to an absolute violation of privacy rights. The Economic and Monetary Affairs Committee is set to vote on these provisions on Thursday. El Salvador has sought to position itself as a paradise for crypto investors after becoming the first country in the world to make Bitcoin legal tender. But over the weekend, the Central American nation declared a state of emergency after a spike in killings on the streets. At least 62 murders were reported on Saturday alone, many of them gang-related on the most violent days seen in El Salvador for 30 years. The new emergency measures will be in place for 30 days, meaning communications may be monitored, and some public gatherings will be restricted. It's unclear whether this will result in further delays to the planned launch of Nayib Bukel's Bitcoin-backed volcano bonds. Ukraine has launched a virtual museum of non-fungible tokens that document Russia's invasion. Meta History Museum of War features NFTs that document the conflict day by day. Tweets from news sources, politicians and government departments are accompanied by pieces of artwork. All of the funds raised through the sale of these NFTs will go to Ukraine's army and civilians, and it's hoped the collection will also preserve the memory of real events. Going forward, Meta History says that NFTs will be created in chronological order, with artists from Ukraine and around the world making contributions from its full outbreak to the moment of Ukrainian victory celebration. Initially, NFTs documenting the first 3 days of the invasion are going to be sold on March 30th for 0.15 ETH each. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around